Being too eager with anyone just makes it less likely they'll value you. It's like those planets in space that rush toward a star. They don't find warmth. They get burned. In astronomy, there's something called the habitable zone. It means a planet has to be just the right distance from its star. Not too close, not too far. That's how liquid water can exist. And life might appear. Too close, and you end up like Venus. Its thick atmosphere traps all the heat. It becomes a scorching hell you can't even approach. Too far, and it's like Mars. Freezing cold and lifeless. Human relationships are often the same way. You approach with all this passion. You want to shower them with your light. But you forget some space is necessary for survival. When you are too intense, they won't appreciate it. They lines just feel overwhelmed. The laws of the universe are more honest than human hearts. The sun doesn't pour all its energy toward Earth just because we crave light. It follows its own rhythm. It burns steadily every day, spreading energy evenly to all 8 planets. Because of that, Earth can nurture life under this balanced glow. If the sun burned out all at once, Earth would be consumed in flames. Passion works the same way. If you give all your warmth at once, they might not thank you. They lines just get used to it, or even grow cold. It's not that your goodness isn't enough. It's just how things work. Any one-sided energy release fades over time. Think about the birth of the universe. The Big Bang released energy that's still spreading today. We call it the cosmic microwave background radiation. It was once incredibly intense and bright. Now it's just a faint, barely noticeable warmth. Passion often meets the same fate. It feels fiery at first, but over time, it becomes taken for granted. Humans tend to overlook constant light, like how we forget the stars above us. It's not that the light matters less, habit just dulls everything. There's also something in space called tidal locking. Take the moon. It always shows one face to Earth, the other side is forever in darkness. Once a planet is locked by a star's gravity, it can't rotate freely anymore. Many people think giving your all is the highest form of love. But often, the opposite is true. When you lose yourself completely, and only show one side to them, the relationship gets unbalanced. The other side stays hidden in the dark. It gets no light, no understanding. Over time, you lose yourself too. Humans think loneliness is an exception, but the universe is full of loneliness. Scientists have found rogue planets. They don't belong to any star, they don't orbit any light, they just drift alone in the dark, but they still have their own path, their own weight. They are still part of the cosmos. We the same. Even if no one treasures you, even if no one returns your passion, you still exist. You are still whole. You are not someone's accessory. You are your own independent star. Passion in relationships is like the speed of light. You think faster is better. But once light enters a black hole, it can't escape. We often pour all our emotions into someone who can't respond. In the end, the passion vanishes. Only emptiness remains. Black holes form when stars collapse under their own gravity. All light and energy get swallowed. The black hole in someone's heart is that void of unmet expectations. The more you try to fill it, the emptier it feels. True wisdom isn't about rushing closer. It's knowing where to stop. The mysteries of the universe remind us everything depends on balance. Stars and planets need space. Light and dark need to alternate. Gravity and speed need to counter each other. Isn't it the same for people? Too cold, and the relationship freezes. Too hot, and it burns out. Lasting relationships are like Earth orbiting the sun. Not running away, not jumping into the fire. A stable dance for billions of years. Not because Earth loves any less, but because it understands boundaries. We often blame others for not valuing us. But the universe shows us energy flow is never one way. The sun shines on Earth, but Earth's gravity also influences the sun's path. Stars in the galaxy attract each other, forming stable spiral arms. Even seemingly isolated stars are connected by faint gravity. Healthy relationships mean your passion is met with response. You're giving doesn't make you lose yourself, it makes you brighter in the flow of light. Maybe that's the deep lesson from the cosmos. Passion isn't wrong, getting close isn't wrong. The mistake is pouring all your energy into someone else, forgetting the universe's basic order. Everything needs self-maintenance. The sun burns itself, but never changes completely for one planet. Rogue planets travel alone, but keep their own path. You should too. First, be stable and whole yourself. Then others can truly see your light. So when you feel ignored, don't doubt your worth. Think about the universe. That faint background radiation is still the greatest remnant of time. Those rogue planets are lonely, but never gone. You are still a unique presence. What's truly worth cherishing isn't burning yourself out. It's staying independent while still being warm and shining. So if your passion isn't valued, don't be quick to doubt yourself. The universe already has the answer. Light doesn't stop shining just because no one is looking. Stars don't stop spinning because one planet leaves. The value of passion isn't in getting an immediate response. It's in keeping your glow while staying true to you. Lasting relationships are built on this self-balance. The romance of the universe is that it gives without asking, yet it keeps shining. The wisdom of life is keeping passion without losing yourself. May you be like a star, not fading from distance, not dimming from indifference, shining your own light through the long years. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.